Sorry. I was not expecting that.
Hello and welcome back to another video review from the Geek Tech Show, and today's video it's all about BB guns and to use one for self-defense purposes. And specifically I'm going to be reviewing the T4E TR50. This one is actually loaded already. See the white thing pops out over there, and the way you load it, you just hit this thing pretty hard, or of course you just spin it until you hear that and it's loaded for that. Now, in terms of this being the ultimate self-defense gun, possibly not. In terms of price, for about $100 you can't go wrong for something like this. Now, this specific one, it's pretty good. It shoots very good, but there's a few issues that I have with this gun, and I'm gonna go into this right now. So this specific one, it comes with this very nice looking case that is included over here, and it shoots velocity 360 FPS per second, and it has 5 magazines in here. So 360 per second, it's not really that powerful. It's about 10 joules, maybe something like that. Maybe 8 joules, I think, altogether. So, well, before I get started with this, in case you think, yeah, it is loaded, it's kind of dangerous. Well, not when this is removed from it, which actually features 6 of those balls that goes right in here. Now, keep this in mind. It also has a double trigger in here. Right now there is a double trigger, so you have to actually pull both of them before you can press on here all the way. So this is a double safety as well. So in case you accidentally just a little bit press on here, you can't actually shoot this unless you pull the miniature trigger right inside of here. This is a double safety for this, which is kind of good. And it has a place where you can put laser mount on this as well, in case you can't see in the dark or something like that.
Whew, I'm sweating. Oh, okay. Okay, good.
You got it?
Yes. Well, of course. I mean, come on now.
You can't miss that thing, can you? So after effects of the shooting, you can see that one of them shot right here, another one right there. It's pretty accurate, and we hit it right here. We actually missed the apple. It's pretty powerful because through the cardboard it went all the way externally. Ooh yeah! And this one actually smokes right out of the rifle when you shoot from it too. And what makes this one much better than the previous one? The difference between both of them is that this specific one has been modified. It has all brand new mechanisms over here. So upgrade barrel, upgrade everything, including this thing that comes out. Now this is something, there is no firearm, and this is not a firearm by the way. There's no BB gun that looks exactly like this. It doesn't exist. There is no one like it, except in one specific situation. It's called Judge Dredd, the movie. And let's get started checking this one out. And this one is over 500 per second. Whew, that's a lot, including 20 joules to this. So let's see how powerful this thing actually is when it comes to the test, and which one is better for us to use, the original or the modified. in this video review. Oh,
I really like this one better
why?
because this one is it's easier to grab,
Yeah.
as you can tell. It was quieter than this one, and
Why was it quiet too?
because it didn't discharge. That's why I liked it. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. This one was a lot of fun. Not this one. This one wasn't fun at all. It scared me. So yeah, there you have it. Yay.
You can see the damage here. Right there. Part of them actually missed, so really small targets to hit. And a little bit of bump right here. Not too bad overall. Now some technical difficulties. After you stick this in, the biggest problem you might be having is to get it out. So how do you get out? It's very simple. To get some kind of an object, press on it, and it will come out. Now when you load them in, make sure you load them in the correct way. So sometimes they don't go inside. The worst mistake is to put them in the incorrect way. So this is actually, there is an exit and there is an entrance pretty much. The entrance is also the exit. So this is, this way. This is where they go in. This is the entrance. The exit, they come out this way. Which means if you're putting in like this, it's not going to get in. See, this specific one has problems. It doesn't go in this way. To get this in, this is the exit. Press it in. Easily gets in. To get this out, take this, press on it, some object, and get it out. Now, if this doesn't work or else fails, just get one of those keys and press on it and it will come out. It is really that simple. That's one of the reasons this key is for. Let's talk about the modified version. It is the same as this, but it is slightly different. So what is so different about the modified version? One, some of them come with this barrel that comes out, making it even more powerful. Two, it has a different kind of bearing over here, and specifically right there where it shoots, this is totally modified. It can shoot double the power that the original one can actually do, and it's still street legal because other BBs can shoot just as much as this one as well. But the original one only shoots at about 300 and the modified one shoots at 500. There is no restrictions for it, making this a very powerful self-defense tool that you can use to fight off intruders in case there is no other choice. So this is it, the end of the video, and now it is time for the verdict. Which is the best gun for your self-defense situation? Is it this one or that one? Pretty much the regular version versus the modified. Which one should you be getting for yourself? So the perks of the regular version. It's lightweight, it's good, it is cheap. You can use it in a wide variety of situations. Pretty much I like it. But this one much more powerful, makes way more noise, scares people a lot more, and specifically it can shoot 20 joules, which is one of the most extremely powerful BB guns that is available on the market, except the ones that you go ahead and do it for yourself, the pump action one. So those are the ones that can shoot only one single bullet, which is not really that powerful. Now, then again, there is the CO2 versions, and I'm talking about not the ones that are like this, the ones that you put the air right inside of them and you pump them in with a bunch of air, and then they shoot with the velocity of the air that goes in here. Those go even more powerful than any other gun on the market. But the problem with them is that the air leaks out too. You have to have the CO2 thing and stick it right in there for this to work, and I really don't like this whole thing. It's not portable as good as this. So which one wins? This one is definitely the winner. It is a lot more expensive, and because of that I really do recommend this one instead. Cheaper, better, and easier for you to buy, because the modified version, either you do it all by yourself or you have to find one that is available on the market, and those things are going to be extremely expensive. Thank you so much for watching this show, and hopefully you learned something new. Smash the thumbs up button and see you in the next video of the Geek Tech channel, where you never know what is the next thing that's going to be reviewed on this channel. What are you going to be doing?
I'm going to be shooting.
Show me the gun.
Okay. I'm going to be shooting this.
Okay, go.
Okay.
You get it?
Yes. Better.